Hi folks, my name is Jeff Rugrock. I'm just your guide to all thing prints. This next drawing, I refer to it as drawing number 3, but it just talks about different line types. So I'd like to build some awareness about when and how to use your pencil, really. We have 4 different line types we're going to do here. We have an initial line, which are meant to be erased. So you want to draw those lines fairly easy and light. We have information lines, which have a lot of dimensions and things like that on it, which we will be getting into a little bit, but they're kind of a medium weight line. We have a hidden object line, which, if they're important, could be emboldened, but generally speaking, I use medium weight pencil on my hidden lines, and they're just simply dashed. They are dashed lines. And then last is the object lines. These are the emboldened ones, and these are the lines that you want to pop off the page and give the viewer the most information possible at a glance. Again, we use all capital letters. We have a title block here. I'm just going to put the year as 22 summer. Line types drawn by Jeff Rugrock. And then we have our line types. And this is our success criteria. So I want to see evidence that you're using tools. You've completed your title block, which I've just done. The lecture items are the line types and samples of each. So I want to see that covered off. So obviously the initial line is the easiest one because you should hardly see it at all. Done. And the reason for that initial line is that it's easily erased. So you should barely be able to see it. Then we can project from that initial line. We can do a medium weight line. Now I've gone over it twice, and you'll notice that I turned my pencil as I did so to keep it short. And that's just used for information purposes. Easy peasy. Hidden line. You can do hidden lines come in all shapes and forms. And it's kind of a medium weight. And then your object line, which is super heavy, and I'm just going to project off of that medium weight line. So here, if you'll notice, when I draw, I'll go over it 2 or 3 times, and I'll rotate my pencil as I do so. This sharpens the pencil and emboldens my line so that it pops off the page more than the rest. It's pretty subtle, but it's very, very effective. Again, if you had to erase this line, it would be easy to erase. That's the big one. Anyways, we have lots of these to do, so I'll get to the next one. Jeff Rugrock, all things prints this semester.